a stop at the Grizzly Creek Lodge for some nice meals. And from up here, you can come up, eat up in the terrace. And from the terrace, you can see more of Camp Snoopy. Hey, look up there. There's Snoopy. Roller coasters over there. Terrace in the horizon. Ooh, that's one of the coolest bridges ever. It's almost like a suspension bridge. You have to go inside of it to see the backside of water. Well, that keeps going. Let's see what else we can find here at Camp Snoopy. This is from the other side of the terrace. Down there is the there's a little train. Do you hear it? Oh, how much fun. We gotta write that again. And down in the horizon we can see some, everybody lined up to see Snoopy. Oh man, I gotta hurry. Come on guys, let's go see Snoopy. I know, I want to see the show too. Okay. Well, we're gonna head off over there, see if we can find the show, this live Snoopy show. I'm back down at the Grizzly Creek Lodge, and look at this. You can make yourself a real nice salad. I ordered the cheeseburger, and I was able to put all those ingredients on it, and even have a little salad on the side. That's pretty cool. And if you check out the menu, oh boy, look at that. They got a cheeseburger basket, chicken tenders, jumbo hot dog, mac and cheese, yum yum, pepperoni wedge, and side salad, cheese wedge, veggie wedge, and a whole bunch of drinks. That is the Grizzly Creek Lodge. This is the hot air balloon ride. I'm waiting for a roller coaster. There it comes. Roller coaster. Wow! Well, that's like totally crazy, guys. Yeah. Yes? Yeah. Hey, look at that right there. Special mail delivery. And over there, the airplane ride. Cool, guys. You like that? Try the next. Oh, and over there, the big roller coaster. Yes, hold on.